done. This is Kekasha. Welcome back to English class. So in last session we have read the story As Big as Blue Whale part 1. In this session you are going to read part 2. Before going to the lesson, let's do a quickly recap. Okay children, in last session you have seen that blue whales are mammals, means they breathe air and give birth to babies. They are not fish. They live along with other whales in the ocean. Understand? They are even bigger than the biggest dinosaur. Okay children, and the biggest blue whale was female blue whale. It is weighted 1,71,000 kilogram and 27 meters long. So 27 meters long means how much children? If you lay down 5 saris of your mother end to end, that is equals to 27 meters long. And even longer was male blue whale. So it is 110 feet long. That is equals to, if you keep 9 or 10 big cars end to end, one behind the other, so that is equals to 110 feet. Understand children? And we have learned that when we saw first time for these creatures, what would we do? We would frightened of this, okay, because so big it is. We think of the scary movies like the shark movie and all, how they chase the ship, means run back of the ship and they hit to the ship, attacks on the ship and eat up all the people. So when the sailors saw for the first time blue whale, they are terribly scared of it, means they are really scared of such creature. Okay children, so yes, it's really true, when we saw first time such creatures, we really scared of it. So till here we have seen in the last session. Now let us move to the next part. So before going to the next part, let's read the meanings. Okay children. Whack. Strike forcefully with a sharp blow. It means hit or beat. Whack means hit or beat. Understand? Giant. An abnormally or extremely tall or large person, animal or plant. Means extremely large or abnormally large or tall animal, plants or human beings. Understand children? Hunters, a person or animal that hunts, like tiger hunts deer, okay, sheep, etc. Lion hunts deer or sheep, etc. So these are the meanings. So let us move towards the lesson. All of you open page number 26 and keep finger as I read. We don't have to be afraid of the blue whale. So children, what they are telling, we should not afraid of the blue whale. People who have studied about these huge creatures have discovered that the whale is actually very gentle. Discovered means found out. So people who studied about these creatures have found out that, discovered that whales are gentle. Whales are gentle. Understand? If felt that a ship was about to harm its baby, it might give the ship a whack with its tail. So children, if they come to know that the ship is going to hurt its baby, so they will give a whack. Whack means hit or beat to the ship with its tail. Understand? They would damage the ship, but then all mothers protect their babies. So they would damage the ship if they come to know that they are going to hurt their babies. So what they do, they will give a whack. Whack means hit with a tail to the ship, so the ship would damage so badly they will hit. Understand? So as we all know that mothers protect their babies, so blue whale to protect their babies. Understand children? The blue whale does not attack human beings. So see here, the blue whale does not attack human beings. It eats tiny sea creatures called krill and plankton. So, blue whale eats tiny sea creatures which is in the sea, small fishes, okay, krill and plankton. It also eats small fish. It also eats small fish. The blue whale can swallow over 1,000 krill at one time with its tongue. So, the blue whale eat thousands krill. Okay, they are very small. So, they eat 1,000 krill at a time. Understand who? Blue whale. Understand, children? The blue whale can swallow over 1,000 krill at one time with its tongue. So big it is. What tongue of blue whale? Which is heavier than an elephant. So the blue whale tongue is heavier than an elephant. So big it is and so heavy it is. It needs about 3,600 kilogram of food in a day. How much blue whale eat food? 3,600 kilogram food in a day. Who? Blue whale. Let's learn more about blue whale through these pictures. You can see here in this picture, this is krill. Okay, who eat blue whale? The krill, and this is plankton. The blue whale eats krill and plankton. This is krill and this is plankton. It lives in the ocean and even it eats small fish. So this is the food of the blue whale. Understand? It eats krill, plankton and small fish. Okay, now let us see the tongue of the blue whale. So, which is heavier than an elephant. So big it is and heavier than an elephant. And how much food the blue whale eat in a day? 3,600 kilograms food in a day. Understand? So, this is about the tongue of the blue whale and food eat blue whale. Let's move to the next paragraph. The baby of a blue whale drinks about 50 kilograms of milk every day and gains 90 kilos every day for the first year of its life. So children, the baby blue whale, when they born, they drinks 50 kilograms of milk one day, okay, and gains 90 kilos of weight. Understand? For the first year of its life. The blue whale makes a very loud sound. Understand? That can be heard 848 kilometers away. So far we can hear the sound of the blue whale 8,848 kilometers away. It is much louder than the sound of a jet plane taking off. When the jet plane is taking off, much louder than that was the sound made by the blue whale. Understand? It is the loudest sound made by any living creature. So no creatures made so loud sound than the blue whale. Okay, loudest sound. Understand? Made by the blue whale on the earth. So children, let's watch the video. Okay. I hope you heard the sound of the blue whale. Understand? So let's move to the next paragraph. It is said that hunters still catch and kill these gentle giants. So still hunters are catching blue whales and they are killing. Okay. Gentle giants means large or tall animals. They use the oil from its body. So why they are catching and killing this blue whale? Why they are hunting this blue whale means they use the oil. Understand? They use the oil from its body for cooking. For what purpose they are using oil? Whale oil. Understand? They are using for cooking, for making candles and other things. They even sell the meat as some people like to eat. Yes, children, we eat sea creatures. Many people eat sea creatures. So the hunters kill the blue whale to sell its meat. Okay, because some people like to eat it. If we don't be careful, one day the ocean will have no more blue whales. So if we did not stop the hunters for killing blue whales, then one day we will not find blue whales in the ocean. Our oceans become empty with this creature. Understand? So we should stop hunters catching and killing for blue whale. Understand? If that were happen, we would lose these beautiful creatures that swim peacefully in the ocean. So if it would happen means one day we are going to lose these beautiful creatures who used to swim peacefully in the ocean. Send out the message, save the blue whale. We should send the message throughout the world that save the blue whale. So this is about the story as big as blue whale. Understand, children? So let me ask you some questions. What are blue whales? Animals that live in the sea. Okay. How big is the blue whale? Bigger than any other animal that lives on earth. How long was the longest blue whale? 27 meters. How wide is the blood vessel of a blue whale? So wide that a person can swim. Okay, through it. Means so wide a person can swim through it. So wide it is. How would a mother blue whale do to a ship? What would a mother blue whale do to a ship if she thought it was going to hurt her baby? She would attack it or she would hit it with her tail. What does a blue whale eat? Blue whale eat small sea creatures, fish or small fish or krill or plankton. How far away can the sound of a blue whale be heard? It can be heard 848 kilometers far away. Understand? What message do we need to send to people around the world? Save the blue whale. I hope you all understood the lesson clearly as big as blue whale. So children, go through it once and try to understand it. Thank you.